Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to protect your designs, how to save your photos from unwanted usage. For example, if you have a nice photo you want to sell in the internet, you can use watermarks to protect it, to make it harder for the people to download without paying. After they pay, they will unlock the real picture. So let's upload this photo or your photo on Canva and then add a text box. Write down your channel name, for example, or website name. I write down 4 seasons. Wait a second. I made a small mistake here. 4 seasons. Make it a little bit bigger by dragging the corners or just plus and minus here. And choose a nice font, for example, Horizon. Type in Horizon and click on Horizon. This looks very nice. And you can drag and drop it everywhere, for example, in the center or a little bit higher, down, as you like. After this, change to white and then go to transparency, click here, and change it, for example, to 30. You can already see it looks like a nice watermark to protect the picture, but sometimes maybe you also notice the people have rotational style watermarks, like putting it here, and they also have several watermarks. So you can just press Ctrl C on your keyboard and Ctrl V to copy and paste very fast, and just drag and drop it as you like. So this makes it much harder for the people to download without making a usage of it, right? And at the same time they will make advertisement for you if they want to use it. So guys, this is the way you can do and protect your designs or photos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.